Continuing from our chapter number 14, Smart Charts, let's start a new topic, food we eat. Here different food items names are given. For example, this boy eat rice, the things made from rice. The next one is eat chapatis made from wheat. Eat rotis made from maize. Drink sattu made from barley. And here porridge from ragi. Now porridge means a khichdi. Now they are discussing about their food items that they take daily in the morning. Here you have to complete this table while writing the different food items. You can write here barley, gram flour also, because the khaman and dhoklas you eat in the morning is made from the gram flour. So you can write it here and number of persons. Now how you will write the number of persons? You can take your help of your friends. Look at the table and tell. Now these words are similar to you. Most means more. If there are 5 people eating wheat, 10 people eating rice, then will be the most. So you can write the answer here. Now next one is comparing. Remember these 3 words, more, less, equal. Now what is the meaning of more, less and equal? More, let's compare from this number only. More means 10 and less means 5. Equal means if 5 and 5 is given, then this number will be equal. Compared to here you have to compare the children who eat rice and those who eat wheat are more or less. If the children eat rice items is 10 and wheat items is 5. So which will be more? Rice eating children or wheat eating? Rice eating, so answer will be more. Now next one is compared to those who eat wheat, children eating ragi are more or less. So this also you have to do in your textbook with the help of that table. Fill up the tables. Now the class drama. Here the children are preparing for the class drama. They had given different duties. Now this topic is so important in this chapter, the drama chart. Why this chart is prepared? This chart is prepared to show the information that children are doing different activities. And who is preparing the sets, who is preparing for acting, who are taking part in playing music, who are taking part in making the sets. So here different numbers are given, but it is given in the triangle shape. Let's write the numbers. How many children? 3, 2, 4 and here 2. But here one information is given that you have to see carefully while seeing any different charts. How many children are there? One triangle is equal to 3 children. So you have to use the table of 3. 3 into 3 it's 9, 3 into 2 it's 6, 3 into 4 it's 12 and 3 into 2 it's again 6. Now from this information you have to complete these questions given below. Again write it here 6, 9, 6, 12 and 6. How many children are acting in the drama? So you have to write it here 9. Which are more children making the sets or those acting? Making the sets is 6 and acting is 9. So which children are more? Acting. Then what is being done by most of the children? Most of the children are doing playing music. How many children are collecting dresses? 6. This type of question you have to fill. Now here one activity is there. You can do it at your home with the help of the chart paper. You have to cut any strip from any type of waste paper and take the measurement of your head. Like one ribbon you use to surround your head. Like that way only you have to use this strip and then take the measurement of your head. This is the activity which you can do with the help of your friends. Here some children had pasted their strips and made a chart like this. You can take your help of your friends and your friend will also take the help of you and write the name on that strip. While taking the measurement, you have to write your name also on that strip and please use scale to take the measurement. Then only you will know what is the answer. And then fill these boxes. Here you have to complete the answers. Though I will give you in the PDF, but you can take the help of your friends. So our answer will not be similar. Now chapati chart. Now what is the chapati chart? Here all the children of a school take part in different clubs. Previously it was the activity. Now here it is the different clubs. Let's see what is the name of the clubs. Game clubs, garden clubs and drawing clubs. Remember the chapter of fraction? Yes, here one circle is there, but it don't have equal parts. It has an equal parts. I can see only 3 parts. You can assume this part 1, 2, 3, 4. But this whole part is covered, means 2/4. You can also say as half of the circle. This will be 1/3 or 1/4. 1/4. This will be also 1/4. Now let's complete this question. From the picture we can see that half children in the class take part in games club, 1/4 in garden club and drawing club has also 1/4. If you don't know the answer, in this question it is given 1/4. If 200 students in the school taking the part, so you have to complete this information with the help of chapati chart. So 200 into half. 2 into 100 is 200. So there will be 100 members in games club. Now the turn is of garden club. 200 into 1/4. 4 5s are 20. So 5 and 1 0 here. So 50 members in the garden club. Next one is same as drawing club, 50 members in drawing club. So this question is also completed. Now let's see the next question. Getting wet in the rain. Here also the chapati chart. This part is of those who like to get wet in the rain, and this part is of those who don't like to get wet in the rain. You can say that this part is 3/4 and this one is 1/4. Remember quarter? You have to complete this MCQ. Now this I will not show you the answers. You have to complete by your own. I will show you the answers of this question. 28 is given. 28 children. Number of children in the class is 28. Now you have to complete the information with the help of that chapati chart which was given before. 28 into 3/4. Those who like to get wet in rain, fraction is 3/4. So 4 into 7 is 28 and 7 into 3 is 21. So 21 children like to get wet in the rain. Now those who don't like to get wet in the rain is 28 into 1/4. 4 into 7 is 28. So 7 children don't like to get wet in the rain. Now this is the last question of your chapter. tea, coffee or milk. Numbers of children are given here. Milk drinking children is 20, are 20, and coffee 10, tea also 10. Now total number of children is given, so you have to add these numbers. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4 and 0. So 40 children are given in this table. Find out from the table. You also have to make one chapati chart here. Make one chapati chart. Then 10 is given. So this will be of milk portion, and this will be of tea, and one will be of coffee. Children who like milk are half or 1/4 of the total children. Half. So here this is your answer. Children who like coffee are half or 1/4 of the total children. 1/4. So this will be your answer. See the tables carefully, see the chart carefully, and please write the answer by your own. Take the help of your parents, take the help of your friends, and complete the information given in this textbook. Take care. Bye.